is the tangent and AB is the diameter of the circle with center at O. हामीले के भनिएको छ भने TAN is the tangent and AB is the diameter of the circle with center at O. हामीले के प्रुभ गर्नु पर्यो भने triangle A and B is similar to triangle C and A. That is triangle A and B is similar to triangle C and A. अर्को कुरा हामीले के प्रुभ गर्नु पर्यो भने AN square is equal to BN into CN. Okay? अब हेरौं हामी given र to prove मा के लेख्न सक्छौं त. Given मा we can write first statement मा we can write TAN is the tangent. Second statement मा we can write AB is the diameter and O is the center. अब हामी to prove मा के लेख्न सक्छौं. First statement मा we can write triangle A and B is similar to triangle CNA. Second statement मा we can write AN square is equal to BN into CN. Okay? हामी given र to prove मा यो लेख्न सक्छौं. अब जब हामी statement र reason तिर. First of all हामी consider गरौं triangle A and B र triangle CNA. A and B is this triangle, हैन? र CNA is this triangle. We will consider these two triangles first. So we can write in triangle A and B and triangle C and A. Okay? First statement मा हेरौं हामी के लेख्न सक्छौं. We can see that OA is the radius of the circle and TN is the tangent to this circle. हैन? Point of contact of this tangent and this circle is point A. Okay? हामीले के पढेका छौं भने radius of a circle will be perpendicular to the tangent at point of contact, right? So we can say OA is perpendicular to TN, हैन? त्यसो भए if OA is perpendicular to TN, then angle BAN can be written as 90 degree, हैन? So we can write angle BAN as 90 degree. अब हेरौं हामी triangle BAC. यदि हामीले triangle BAC हेरौं भने we can say that angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because if AB is the diameter, then angle ACB is the angle in semicircle. The angle in semicircle is 90 degree भनेर हामीले पढेका छौं. Okay? Now, if angle BCA is 90 degree, then angle ACN will also be equal to 90 degree. Right? So, first statement मा हामी के लेख्न सक्छौं भने angle BAN is equal to angle ACN. Reason मा हामी लेख्न सक्छौं both angle are 90 degree. अब second point को लागि हामी consider गरौं angle N. This angle ANC र angle BNA is common to both the triangles BAN and ACN, हैन? So we can write in the second statement angle BNA is equal to angle CNA. Reason हामी लेख्न सक्छौं common angle. अब यदि यो ट्रायंगल यी दुईटा ट्रायंगल का दुईवटा एंगल सेम छन् भने तेस्रो एंगल पनि सेम हुन्छ, राइट? So we can write in the third statement angle ABN is equal to angle CAN. Reason हामी लेख्न सक्छौं remaining angles. यी तीनवटा स्टेटमेन्ट हामीले हेर्यौं भने we can say that triangle A and B and triangle CNA are similar triangles, right? So in the second statement we can write triangle A and B is similar to triangle CNA. Reason हामी के लेख्न सक्छौं by AAA axiom. Okay? हामीले फर्स्ट स्टेटमेन्टमा यही प्रुफ गर्नु पर्ने थियो, हामीले यो प्रुफ गरिसक्यौं. अब हामीलाई के थाहा छ भने सिमिलर ट्रायंगल का करस्पोंडिंग साइड्सहरु इक्वल प्रोपोर्शनमा हुन्छन्, राइट? सो फ्रम द सेकेन्ड स्टेटमेन्ट वी कैन राइट AN divided by CN is equal to AB divided by CA is equal to NB divided by NA. Okay? Reason हामी लेख्न सक्छौं, corresponding sides of similar triangles are in same proportion. अब हामीले जुन यो NB र NA लेखेका छौं, यसले हामी BN र AN पनि लेख्न सक्छौं. It will mean the same thing. So we'll write this as BN and AN. Okay? अब हामी यो proportion लियौं र यो proportion लियौं. Okay? And we'll cross multiply this. We will get AN square is equal to BN into CN. Reason हामी के लेख्न सक्छौं from statement 3. Okay? Second statement हामीले यही प्रुफ गर्नु पर्ने थियो.